Bonjour. Today, we will learn the French alphabet. Listen and repeat after me. Let's begin. Letter A. In French, we say A. Repeat after me. A. Letter B. In French, we say B. Repeat after me. B. Letter C. In French, we say C. Repeat after me. C. Letter D. In French, we say D. Repeat after me. D. Letter E. In French, we say E. Repeat after me. E. Letter F. In French, we say F. Repeat after me. F. Letter G. In French, we say G. Repeat after me. G. Letter H. In French, we say H. Repeat after me. H. Letter I. In French, we say I. Repeat after me. I. Letter J. In French, we say J. Repeat after me. J. Letter K. In French, we say K. Repeat after me. K. Letter L. In French, we say L. Repeat after me. L. Letter M. In French, we say Monsieur. Repeat after me. Monsieur. Letter N. In French, we say N. Repeat after me. N. Letter O. In French, we say O. Repeat after me. O. Letter P. In French, we say P. Repeat after me. P. Letter Q. In French, we say Q. Repeat after me. Q. Letter R. In French, we say R. Repeat after me. R. Letter S. In French, we say S. Repeat after me. S. Letter T. In French, we say T. Repeat after me. T. Letter U. In French, we say U. Repeat after me. U. Letter V. In French, we say V. Repeat after me. V. Letter W. In French, we say W. Repeat after me. W. Letter X. In French, we say X. Repeat after me. X. Letter Y. In French, we say Y. Repeat after me. Y. Letter Z. In French, we say Z. Repeat after me. Z. Bravo! You now know the French alphabet. Keep practicing every day. Merci et à bientôt.